What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Investor Josh here. If you're new to the channel, I've been investing in stocks for around 13 years and cryptocurrency since 2014. Doing pretty well in both sectors, both stocks and cryptocurrency. So I'm glad you've come along for the journey. Hopefully we're going to make some good money together. Everything I do on this channel is for entertainment purposes only and not financial advice. Today I'm going to take you through 5 of my favorite stocks that I think are going to perform very well, especially coming out of this dip. I think they're going to go with a V-shaped recovery very nicely. But first, before we get into those stocks, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Hit the bell for notifications, click all, and if you want to be interactive, please leave a comment down below. First of my 5 stocks that I think everyone should buy for March, certainly what I'm going to be invested in, and topping up on some of my current positions. First off, we've got Palantir. So this had a 52-week high of $45, and we're currently sit at 23. Now, if the market does continue to drop as a whole this week, I do expect Palantir to go down slightly more. Not a lot though. It's already in the low 20s. I would not expect it to dip below 20. Now, I don't think we're going to see its all-time high of $45 in the next month or two, but I do think we will see that by the end of the year, if not higher. And so that's pretty much a doubling of positionings of the position right here. So I'm looking at this stock thinking I could double my money in 10 months. 9 to 10 months, doubling of money in this stock right here. It's got a lot of hype around it. It's being used for some good things. I think it's going to do well. I think it's going to do well in the longer term, mid to long term, especially over the next year or so. I think we're going to see a good bump in this stock. It's had a rough month, to say the least, but I think we're going to see it return very nicely. A lot of brokers are jumping on this, including ARK Invest. Kathy Wood from ARK, she's jumped on it. ARK has bought up a bunch of Palantir. Something to check out. Next on my list is CCIV, Churchill Capital. This is an EV or speculation to merge with the EV industry, and we're sitting at $30.75 USD right now. We've got a 52-week high of $64, so doubling that. Once again, I think this is a doubling, easily a doubling within 12 months, if not more, potentially. If all goes well, everything goes as it's meant to, and the stars align, once again, right here, a doubling of your money within 12 months. While we're down, the market's down, while this is coming down, although it is coming back up, I think it's an excellent buy. Excellent buy right there. An oldie but a goodie. One of my favorites, Tesla, with this market drop over the past few days or few weeks. Look at that drop. This is not just a Tesla only thing, this is a market thing. But I think Tesla is one of the strongest stocks in the market currently, and this will rebound quicker than most. So we've got a 52-week high here of $900.40, and we're currently sitting at $675. So we're over like a couple of $100 over from the top, this last previous high. So I do really believe we can see the all-time highs easily from this stock before the end of the year, quite easily. I think we will surpass $1,000. I think we'll probably go up and see around $1,200 by the end of the year, if not higher. $1,200 by the end of the year is my prediction on Tesla. One of my favorites. NIO, one of my other EV favorites. We're looking at a current price of $45.78 USD. We're down, as most stocks are, 52-week high of $66.99. I can see us surpassing these prices, surpassing this high in the third quarter of this year, and sitting around 90 to 100 by the end of the fourth quarter, by the end of this year. It is indeed one of my favorites, and I think it is definitely a company of the future. If you're not already invested in Neo, it's one of my strong picks. And our final one, fifth one, is Square. I bought Square last year in September, and we have done very nicely on it since. If we go to September, I think I got about the 14th, maybe. From memory, we're looking at $145, so we've over doubled our position on this. Oh no, we haven't. Sorry, we've almost doubled our position on this. We've done very nicely. We've had a dip here, so I think this is going to be a quick, easy bounce back. So we're at 230, a high of 283. I think the bounce back to 283 will be very quick indeed. Look at the growth on this stock. This is the kind of chart we want to see, and this is the buying opportunity that we want. This is picture perfect buying opportunity. Beautiful graph. I love that. Look at that. And then we're dipping, a nice dip down, and buy if you have the funds. That would be my recommendation. That one would be a beautiful one right there. They're all of these stocks, Palantir, CCIV, Tesla, Neo, Square, in my opinion, you cannot go wrong. You will most likely double, if not more than double your money before the end of this year in any of these stocks. So they're my 5 picks for this week. I don't know if we're going to have a better week this week as far as getting out of the red. I certainly hope so. As most people know, last week was not a good week in the markets. But let's hope this week's a better week. It's going to turn around eventually. It's going to turn around sooner than later. I don't see this as a long-term crash. It's a short-term dip. They happen every year, 5 to 10% down every year for a few weeks before we make that bounce back. I think this is going to be closer to the 10% overall the whole market. I know some stocks are down more than 10%. I think right now is the perfect time to invest, though. If you've got some cash on the sidelines, if we go into the red more this week, if you can dollar cost average in over the week, you'll make even better profits in the long run over the next 12 months or so. Definitely those 5 stocks, in my opinion, are almost an easy doubling of money. I think we're going to do very well. I'm very excited about the year ahead. I'm very excited about those 5 stocks in particular, and I'm very excited about the current prices we can buy them at. It's real good stuff. If you've liked this content, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the all, and leave some comments. I'm bringing you daily content on investing both in stocks and cryptocurrencies, so please subscribe, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace.